Yeah, people, big up. Thanks for clicking my channel. Thanks for clicking the video. And welcome to my channel, Street Beat TV. Yeah, me I do that video because some people are request it and some people DM me sometimes. Some people ask me question. Sometimes comment on my video. Them ask me how the thing work. How you make money on YouTube, right? How you can make money on YouTube. If you recognize my voice, you know say I'm a Jamaican. Born and raised, right? And I'm gonna tell you about giving a little rundown about the Google AdSense program and how it work. You understand? Whether you live in Jamaica, the Caribbean, or anywhere where you feel like say yo, you want to do this part time or full time if you want to, because you have people who take it up and do it full time for your job. Me personally, it was more of an hobby and doing it for fun. And then I see Ushpa, yeah, I could make a little change. My 9 to 5 when me I forgot every day. When me kind of love, because me not do nothing else, me love it. You understand? YouTube money, if you want to do it for full time, you can do it and make a money and make a living out of it. Because I see enough YouTuber where I live out of it. You understand? But for me personally, I think it could have really worked for me alone, because you don't know a Jamaica this, and me I tell you, it's rough. You see me? But if you want to do it, I'm not discouraging nobody still, you see me? If you don't want to do it, and I want to know so I have the energy and the time for putting it, for do it, for make the money, you can do it. Because the more video you upload and the more you communicate with your fan base and thing, you can make the money. Yeah, because you have YouTuber, Jamaica YouTuber, Caribbean YouTuber all over the world now where I make good money off of YouTube. You understand? So let me get into the matter now. You have to love it. You understand? Because nobody feel like say if you put up 2 videos and say, yeah, I'm gonna make another work. You understand? You have to put up video constantly. You have to engage the audience. You have to get subscribers. You have to ask people to subscribe to your channel. And them something. So first you have to build a YouTube account. You have to build a Gmail account. Then you build a YouTube channel. After you build a YouTube channel now, when you build a YouTube channel now, then now you start upload video. Do some video. Do anything where you love. Try to find something where you love and where you can find a market for. You understand? So you have to target some audience. You understand? You have to find an audience to target for that. Because remember I'm telling you, millions, if not billions, of people that on YouTube daily. You understand? So you will get people to click on your video. When I start off with 0 subscribers, no subscribers. You see me? No subscribers. I'll start going to ask people to subscribe to my channel. Till when I start put up things, I not even have to ask people to subscribe again. Sometimes I'll wake up, I'll get all 10, 5, 4, 3 subscribers sometimes. Understand? Which me still asking on my video for people who can subscribe. Yeah, I ask people for subscribe. So you can subscribe now. You can just click the subscribe button and subscribe right about now too. Yeah. I always ask people for subscribe. You understand? A part of the work, a part of the thing. You have to ask. Because when them subscribe, them keep you in them feed. So that means that when them log on YouTube, you will then in them feed. Because anything where you put up right away, because them subscribe to you, automatically them are going to see it. You understand? So it's good for you have subscribers. Subscribers are good. So ask for subscribers, ask people to like your video, ask people to share your video. If you can't take roasting, if you can't take bashing, if you can't take people that done you, don't come on YouTube, because people are got all when you do the best of the friggin' best. My granny always tell me say 2 things a human being can never do. You can't force everybody to like you, and you can't blow a breath. So you say if you have a come on you with your touchy feelings on YouTube, when somebody start give it to you, tell you all type of manner things, some things that people tell me on you, me I tell you, don't join it, because you now can't deal with it. You understand? It come to the territory. This come with part of the territory, so you have to can give back people some chat when them start give you some chat. That is part of it. You know, let me get another part now. Oh, you're going in there now. You have to sign up for the Google thing. Once you sign up for the Google thing and you start getting subscribers, you could have even 10, 20 subscribers you have, you can automatically sign up for the AdSense program. Main thing you have to do, I get people to view your video then. try to get people to view your video them. So you have to either Facebook is somehow now live on Facebook and have them bag of people upon Facebook. Use them people now upon Facebook. Share the link to them. Tell them say, yo, I'm upon YouTube now. Go like my video. Go and watch my video and share it to your friend. It's a networking thing. So you have to go around now and tell people now, say, yo, like my video. Really, sometimes people not even want business with what you want to say. But you have to just make them know, say, yeah. Once you start get traffic to your YouTube channel now, you have to try to maintain that traffic there. I tell you now, my channel, at first, I started 2014. I tell you now straight, I did start a channel before that, and it run. But you used to just put up things. You can't put up copyright things. So if you put up people in copyright music and I your one, you gotta get them, I got strike. You gotta get strike. So you can't put up people things. If it's not your own, do not put it up. You don't have permission to put it up, do not put it up. YouTube would strike you for that. You understand? So don't do that. Yeah, so that did that with my first channel. We got about 500 and something subscribers. And then now YouTube pull it down because them say, yo, me I reach the thing. You understand? So anyway, I build back a next one at 2014 again. And then I'm start my own video, them my own little thing them. Sometimes, yeah, I will take from somebody things and understand and match it up and I try to contact them and say, yo, I can't use a video. Or I can't use a song in this rate. Them would say, alright. Some of them would say, no, mom, no, you know the thing. So, what I do is, I try to do that, communicate with people because communication is the key. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter account, them are for up. Because them think they help for boost the traffic. WhatsApp group and them something there. Yeah, them think they help for boost. So if you know saying enough WhatsApp group, that good for you. You get me I say? If you ain't enough WhatsApp group, I'm gonna look at that attack, I'll be a trouble shiggy. Yeah. If you ain't enough WhatsApp group, that good for you. If you have enough people on Facebook, that even better for you. Because some people have 5,000, 10,000, 20. Them have a whole heap of people, but them not even know the power of Facebook. Power of Facebook. Facebook is one of the world largest sharing. The internet largest sharing medium right about now. So you have to use up your Facebook. Engage with the audience. If you have a whole heap of people on Facebook, you have 5,000 or 10,000 people on Facebook as friends. You can get at least even 2,000 of them or 1,000 of them for subscribe to your YouTube channel. You understand? Then you sign up for the Google AdSense program. Once you sign up for the Google AdSense program now, there's where the work really start now. Here's where the work really start. The Google AdSense program now, them give you the dashboard of everything, how much you make, how much you earn, how much you make last week, how much you make this week versus last week. It show you how much you make. The dollars them fluctuate. It go up and down. You don't have no control over that. You understand? Because sometimes the money where you make will go way up to like $30. You understand? And then one time it will go down to all 30 cents. You get me? So you have to always keep traffic and move to your YouTube channel. So that means that when it shut and peak up, you would get a piece of that food there when it go up. So you have to always have the traffic and push towards the thing. You get me? And not play a thing. Anything where you want to do, it take work. But the only thing is with it, it is so much fun doing it. You understand? So, you know, if you... May I tell you, once you stay a boom and get the hang of it, people, it's so nice. You would enjoy doing it. You have people know when I work for nobody, but them just make video, YouTube video at the time, and put up. People like, for instance, I don't know if you know what. One of the most familiar with them man are still Chabas, Kevin Too Crazy. The next one named Pine, the Pine Youth, what name? What the Pine? Prince Pine, yeah. Them man, they do it. Enough people where they on YouTube now where I make good money. You understand? Good money where I don't think these people really have to really work. You see me? None of them work. I think Dirty Berry must work. You see me? And some of the other one them work. But nearly most of them where I make the big bucks, we have the good amount of 100 and hard and 200 and hard subscribers. I don't think them man they have to work. Let me answer because if you can pull a piece of food off of YouTube, why work? Just do a video and enjoy yourself. You see me? You have all heap of time in your day, so people is a good when them the car right about with the economy and things here. So the world is getting smaller, you know. People with the internet, you know. So what we have to do, you know, we have to try if you get another look at something there. YouTube not even at its peak yet. So me are telling you right about now, people, there's a room for bully more thousands of people coming out. You just have to just dig in your brain. You understand? Get into the brain game, get the brain working with it. And do a local video them. Do some more if you love it. You see me? Don't get up and do nothing if you don't love it. You understand? Cause it don't make no sense. Me do things that me love. Right about now my work, me love my work. Me ride bike at daytime. You see me? And sometimes I deliver pizza. Sometimes if I'm not delivering pizza, I'm delivering mail. And by 3 o'clock me done work at daytime. And sometimes by 2 me done work. I go pick up my daughter from school, bring her home, ramp with her, little rating. Me have more time. So I like the things that me love. You understand? Me do things that me love. So that little YouTube, so I'm started as a hobby. I'm say, yeah, can't bring in a little thing, so why not? Try it. Do it. Yeah. Enjoy myself. You understand? And I still do my work. You see me I say? Because I have a whole heap of time and I'm there to do what I want to do. You get me I say? So if you can get into the groove right and find out what you do currently now. Whether you're a hairdresser, a barber, probably a teacher, something you can get in it. You understand? Any little thing where you do, you can just say, alright, you know, I'm going to try to do some teaching, put some maths teach. You can start up a little maths tutorial, something on it, and do that. Barbering, people want to learn to do barbering, or for trim ear and them something there. You can just say, alright, you know, I'm going to start do some little video upon them something here. Ear dressing, nails, any little thing. You just start a little thing and just do it. Yeah man people, it's a good venture. I don't know. Me not hide the secret. There are some people now make you know, not tell you how the thing work. But it's a process. Any little information when nobody want, only can link me up. You understand? At Street Beat TV. I'm all on my social media them that. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, the whole of them there are my YouTube. Street Beat TV. Street Beat TV. My WhatsApp number. If you don't want to link me up, because I not hide the secret from nobody. 1-876-478-3484. Anybody want to link me up for any little tips and tricks about how to work the YouTube game, hit me up. Remember again, WhatsApp number 478-3484. 1-876-478-3484. When you can just WhatsApp me, no call. Because I don't really work with a call or something, you see me? WhatsApp only, that phone there for. So you can just WhatsApp me. And that means if somebody start get annoying, I can just come back, boom, and block them. Alright? So yeah, do that. We out of here.